Alright, today we're going to be looking at rationalizing a denominator. This is when we are dividing and we end up with a square root that we cannot simplify. It's not a perfect square in the denominator. Alright, this is number 4 from your homework with rationalizing denominators. So, on number 4 we have 6 over root 2. Now the first thing we want to look for is there a way to divide this out or simplify it? We can't take a root and divide it with a whole number, so we can't simplify the numerator and the denominator the way that it is. We have the square root of 2 and it is not a perfect square, so we need to come up with a way to rationalize it and make it to where it's a whole number in the denominator. So when we look at square root of 2, all right, I can multiply that by the square root of 2. And what will happen is if I take the denominator and I multiply it by the square root of 2, it ends up getting rid of the square root because we end up with a pair of 2 factors, and we end up with 2 in the denominator. Now, unfortunately, I can't just randomly multiply stuff into a fraction or anything like that. But fortunately, the square root of 2 divided by the square root of 2 is 1, and it doesn't change the value of my fraction. So now I take 6 times the square root of 2, which is just 6 times the square root of 2. Alright, so now I have 6 square root of 2 over 2. I can't stop here because my fraction is not simplified. I want to simplify my fraction. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Since the 6 is in the top, it's going to stay up there. Or if you did 6 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2, you would see this cancels out to 3 root